I'm going to talk one time and done. Hey, Tatiana _ you start the live with the right sentence. Tatiana _ Miller. You know the assignment. You say me nah lie. You're born forget a fight. Hey, me tell you, my people, them fight me right through. Me not for there, so. Me not for there, Miami. You ever hear people say if you follow your mind, you can't go wrong? If you follow your mind, you cannot go wrong. Me go explain to you from start to finish. Me go explain to you everything what I want, everything what happened to me, everything what I go through. For end of reach, yes, so that CHUG it could have even make a post and disrespect me. Me go explain to you. So when me explain, I want to explain one by one. And when me talk, I want to show me proof because me now come back come talk. CHUG it just make a post on them Instagram page. So I go live a while ago. I'm telling them I not talk nothing. I go try to remain professional. CHUG it make a post a while ago on them Instagram page. Say them a go sue me and them pay me how much money and basically me a sue them back for defamation of character. Cause a sue for sue I go on right now. I go show CHUG it sir. Any other promoter will plan to use my fans them now go do it again. So right now, CHUG it. You can make sure no say a sue for sue. Anybody can sue, you know. Anybody can jump up and say, we're going to sue. But CHUG it, you can't sue me and win me. You cannot sue me and win me. Andrew, you cannot sue me and win me because your contract has been breached 100 multiple times. Before I got here, your contract have been breached. A friend thing me I do make me day here. So me I go take it from top and come right back down to the bottom. Me I go start from 2 of my travel party. Oh, it start. Me I start from 2 of my travel party was to leave from Jamaica to come up for this venue, right? To come up to this show. The flight was 8 o'clock. Of course, you know them when I get up and reach airport from 6 o'clock. Them call me out of my bed. Say, them ticket cancel. So I say, what you mean by your ticket cancel? I say, call the airline and find out what's going on. What you mean by you get email say ticket cancel? When them call the airline tell them, say, fake credit card, it come up in them system, say, fake credit card, and them cancel the ticket them. I said to them, say, but no, I know the promoter, Andrew, could not use a fake credit card. Call pan a 3-way, find out what's going on and get to the bottom of it. I tell them, I say, a promoter did do this to me already on American airline. I'm not in a foolishness. Anyway, they make them call and them do what them do. I had a show in New York for at 97. Yesterday? For at 97. Yesterday. So we were supposed to leave from New York and come to Miami. I performed with my 2 dancers them, Tayeri and Cookie. They were supposed to travel from New York and come to Miami for CHUG it. Who that man? When we're there in New York, how much o'clock in the night, I don't get no information from CHUG it promoters. You hear me? I tell you, everything when me talk, I don't know, fiction. Me don't know how them gonna make a post and say them assume me, you know. Because everything is factual. You know how much o'clock them send the ticket for me come and CHUG it? Not my ticket, you know, because me buy my ticket for come here. You know how much o'clock in the morning when me I got my bed at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock? What time? Everybody around the table, me just attack first. 4 a.m.? 4 a.m. A business manager is here with me. 4 a.m. this morning is when we get flight information to come to Miami. At 4 a.m. Nobody never have no tickets. Nobody never have no hotel information. Nothing. Nobody not have nothing. Cookie, that I'm a dancer from New York, was supposed to go up on one different flight because them claims that them buy the ticket last minute. That means say, we don't never plan for me perform in a CHUG it. Me just want to explain myself because I'm ignorant. I want to talk and explain to the people them from morning. We never plan for me there here. No itinerary never send no flight information, nothing. 4 a.m. when we get the flight, we send it to Cookie. When Cookie wake up, we go up on the flight, pass the screenshot. I go and flip the camera. Me I take it one by one. Chug, if you go sue me, you can't sue me and win me. You contract breach. You contract breach. From last week. Sorry for Marga dog and them turn around and bite you. Me not for there, so me not stop saying it. If me follow my mind, me won't wrong. You can read? Read. Hold on, I can put it up. Then buy a ticket for me dance upon JetBlue. See the subject, what the subject say. Then buy it from, one, them see properly. Then buy it from JFK to Miami. Read the subject. 2:50 a.m. I want to make sure you can see it. Hold on, I come out in, come right here, so. Tell me if you can't see it. If you can't see it, you type it. Date. September 4. 2:50 a.m. Somebody said nice in the background. Turn off the AC there, everything. You no type it. If you no see it, you no type it and tell me what the itinerary I say. You just wait for somebody say no I can't see. Somebody type what them see. Your itinerary has been cancelled. You no look good. At 2:50 a.m. 9/4. That was this morning. 3 o'clock that. Just tell me if you no see it. Somebody say cancelled. Cancelled. 2:50. Alright? So them I see it. We see it. Alright. 2:50 a.m. It say your itinerary has been cancelled. Alright. That was cookie tickets. That's my second answer. That's the second breach, you know. Every ticket them buy, me no know warm to them credit cards, so it look like say me no want to go some money, cause every ticket on the buy cancel, on the card no stop cancel, on the card no stop decline. You see, if me did follow my mind, uno get a chance to take liberty on me. When me dance a ticket cancel, and my travel party from Jamaica ticket cancel, me, Grace Hamilton, turn round and say, you know what? I am going to buy my ticket myself. And when I reach, they can reimburse me for my ticket. Remember, me not supposed to do this, me an artist, you know, me could have said me now come. Remember, me say me couldn't, me never want to come. And Andrew put me in another problem here, and him same one. I push me deeper in our problem. Hold on. And me buy my ticket for come here. Andrew no buy no ticket for me. See me information here. Flip the camera again. This now show good. It look like more to look a dark corner so them can't see too much light. Wanna read this properly? See it there. You don't know how to put up the picture up on the screen. Hold on, sit here. You have this sent to me, because remember I can't put the picture up on the screen, you know. Hold on, man. They must can read. See big Grace Hamilton there. Hold on. I'm sorry, I never put it on my phone. Them say them can't see.
Alright, let me put it here.
Send it to me. Me can put the picture on my phone. Send that to me. When you can't see me, I'm going to make you see. Hold on. Me buy my ticket last night, this morning. 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. Just hold on. Me can attach the flight from right here, so just send it to me on my WhatsApp. As a matter of fact, this is the least. Because when you say when I go sue, so when a lawyer come, the receipts are here. Who can see it good, now go see it good. Make sure I flip it again. Hold on. That's my name. I just want them see. I wish them could have see the flight time. Me buy the ticket. Hold on, it's a method of payment. And it there. Now, you don't have to see everything. Lawyer go see everything, because CHUG it, remember, you son go sue me. Me turn round and say, you know what? Let me buy my own a ticket for come. And me go up on my card and buy my flight this morning for come at CHUG it. Me, Grace Hamilton, do that. Me no for there. Me no for there. Long time I could have turned round and say, here what? CHUG it breach them contract. Me not coming. But you not stop posting the show sold out. Or show sold out. And I say, me nah do that to my fans them. Because my fans them I love and support me. So me I come. I buy my ticket and come here. Stick a pin and hold on. You see, when I buy my ticket and come here and I reach at airport for CHUG it to pick me up, what happened out at airport?
No one was there.
Nobody no come at the airport to pick me up. Hold on, Andrew.
People want picture.
And then never
Andrew. Me have to hide from people. Me stay bad because I land from the show from flight and we send me ticket till how much o'clock a morning. And me have to hide in a bathroom. And when me look, no car no there to pick me up. Me start make a video because I saw me plan for because I know so something you that plan for me. Pass the feed of them. You can't sue me, but you can't win. Hold on. Andrew, you never know me a plan for you. Start it back. Start it back.
Blatant disrespect, man, and blatant fuckery. And you know what the worst thing when some people come talk about who no not gonna say this and do not go have all kind of something to say. And people come at airport, come sit down all long away pound now and tell me about, oh, you're pulling. I'm pulling the car. You just a rent car when me land 1 hour.
Skip it again.
No.
Hold on.
Make sure I make that video, yeah? I'm going to save it because guess what? Uno going to come said this and uno going to come said that. Now ask you.
You see me a profit? You see me a profit? Hold on. You see me a profit? I airport this me there make video for now. You never know say me a plan for a long time. Say me have the whole of my receipt them before this happen. Before shit hit the fan. You see me a profit? You see me know say something no right we don't know. Flip back the camera again and play the video again. Different one this. Where the other one? Now the same one that. Play back the next one. I try them.
When I make the video come and have no look we do no. And so when I buy a ticket and go back on my yard and go lie down in my bed, you got ear send me this and you got ear send me blood clot that. But chug it, me make sure I make the video from now almost an hour. Me sit down at the airport. Me I go home. Remember me. Everything. We don't have no hotel to give me. We don't have to buy more than tickets for come here so it now go work.
Next video. So how it start?
Make that video, yeah, for chug it. Don't try to take off my mask. I make that video, yeah, for chug it, and I make it from now. So I'm at the airport. I sit down out at airport. Almost 1 hour now, I sit down out here, and nobody come pick me up. I mean, I have a ticket for come out of Miami. Come to buy a ticket, and the phone ticket I cancel and all. I don't know what to do. I don't want to fuck up my name for no airline, because you know, so they have to travel. You know, so I come out and come sit down. Nobody no come pick me up.
Chug it, you can't sue me. Chug it, let me rephrase my word. You can sue me, but you can't win. You can try to sue me, but you can't win because I sue for sue. Because the post they want to make on the page, me a sue no back for defamation of character. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Me try with you. Me not for come here, me take up my one money and buy ticket for come here. And when me reach, you no send no car to pick me up. Oh, me left airport. Pass the lift ticket. Pass the lift. You can't sue me, Andrew. Andrew, you don't know me. Me not trouble people. At 20 years, me a perform in a dance hall. Me never miss a flight. No care how me have show back to back. No care how the flight at 6 o'clock in the morning. Me never miss a show. Me never miss a flight. You deliberately set me up for me miss that show, yeah. I don't know the reason, but you can't trick me. A long time me a video, no. A long time me a put on my receipt. Me see it long time, he's a prophet. Me not trouble people, I saw me stay. Me prayer up. Pass the lift receipt, let me show the people them how me left from out of Miami airport. One by one. $7:30 p.m.
We landed at 6:30.
We land at 6:30. See it ya. From Northwest, Miami did. And whatever the case may be. See it at September 4, 7:30 p.m. My people, that's how I left from airport. Andrew breached him contract long time. Well, on there now. You see now, everybody has said, Andrew. Andrew the promoter for CHUG it. Chug it when me I try safe because Chug it is a brand of Jamaica. Chug it when me tell myself say I will never do this. Them lead me to do this. Because me tell myself say, listen, you see Chug it is, me rate Chug it and me rate Sans and me rate Dream Weekend because them is a brand for Jamaica. So me tell myself me want to do this. At the post where them make a while ago, bet me I do this. I go talk about ya go talk about you pay me much money and ray. After me I force and I struggle with it upon my back. After, and I force me to force them to pay me my balance too because guess what? Today I was gonna go live at 2. Me not reach okay. Yet. Alright. Them say to keep the people them in the background say to keep my train of thoughts. When me left from out the airport, me reach at the hotel. What happened when me reach at the hotel? This is my bid. Come right here, so business manager. People, please to meet Elsie. Elsie last name. She's a crazy last name. I travel around the while. This is Elsie, my business manager. When you reach at the hotel, what happened?
They had all regular rooms, and we still had to put a card on file. So I'm going back and forth. This is the queen. She never does a regular room. So I'm going back and forth with the people. They're like, it's Labor Day weekend. We don't have any rooms. We, after 30 minutes.
And we have to get to one a suite. We have to get to one a suite. No room, a regular room. A regular room, them not get no suite. And we have to get to run a regular suite. Else if you work overtime and I tell the people them say, you know, we have an international artist. Can we speak to the manager so we can get on a room never book? No room never book. Alright? Strike 1. Strike 2. Strike 3. Me still a press on. You know what me do? Me take it up on myself and send an email because I want to know if I sell Andrew French, sell Chug it, authorized to a different promoter. And because you know sometime a different promoter can buy out Chug it and keep it a foreign. So in my head now, me I say, I know Andrew French a deal with me so. And Andrew make me there and I buy me one a ticket. Me have to car me work on me one a car. So I take it up on myself and I send an email out from my email. Because me I tell Ray, who is my booking agent in Jamaica, say I be a fuck Ray go on. And you know Ray, I go proper type it and professional. So me take it out of Ray and I send it. Because I want Andrew to say I fuck Ray go on. Hold on. Me send the email from my email. This is what I sent. I'm sorry, so I can't put up the picture. Hold on. I put up the picture for my something, man. See it there, I click picture, but I look for it. Where the email there? See it there? This is an email that I sent. Wanna read it? We have time, a whole night. Read it for me.